Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial I will explain how you can generate fake data with the help of Python. Sometimes we need fake data, so this tutorial will help you. So for that, first of all, just install the package Faker. So pip install Faker and run this cell, and you can see this package is already installed on my system, so requirement already satisfied. So first of all, install this package, and then from this package import this module. From Faker import this module, and then create an object of this, and with the help of this object print the name. So if you want to generate the fake name, you can use fake dot name, and every time you run this cell you will get a different output. So let's run this, and you can see the name is similarly. Run this cell again, and you can see new name, and you can see the new name. So similarly, if you like you have generated the name, you can generate the fake address also. So print fake dot address, run this cell, and you can see the fake address. Rerun this, you can see the new address. Similarly, if you want to generate fake test, you can generate the fake test. So this is the fake test, you can see. Rerun this, you can see the fake test. Every time you run this cell you will see the fake text. And if you want fake email, just click on, you just type fake.email and then run this cell. You can see the fake email. Run this different mail. Okay, so this way you can generate the fake email. Similarly, for generating the fake country, print fake dot country. You can see the fake country. Every time you run this you can see the different country, and that is the fake country. Similarly, you can print the latitude, longitude. Okay, and similarly you can generate fake URL. So this way you can generate the fake data with the help of this Faker package and Faker module. So I hope this tutorial will help you. So this way you can generate the fake data. Thank you.